Creating an account on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set up your account quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Open your web browser and go to the official Capital One website. Look for the Sign Up or Open an Account option on the homepage. Step 2. Choose account type. Select the type of account you wish to create, such as a checking account, savings account, or credit card. Click on the corresponding link to proceed. Step 3. Fill out personal information. Enter your personal details in the required fields. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Make sure all information is accurate. Step 4. Create login credentials. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Review and submit. Review all the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit your application. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding your account status. After completing these steps, you should have your Capital One account set up. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One's customer service for assistance.